Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 9. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color label and rename clips to keep your timeline organized. To apply a color to your clips, all you have to do is select the clips, right-click or Ctrl+Click, go to Label, and then just choose one of these four colors. So for audio, I'm going to choose green. Now I'll select my video tracks. I'm going to right-click or Ctrl+Click. I'm going to go down to Label. I'm going to select this pink-purple color. And then for my thumbnail or any graphics, I'm going to right-click or Ctrl+Click, go to Label, and I'm going to label this one blue. So now I know whenever I see this pink color, I know it's a video layer. Whenever I see the green, I know it's an audio layer. And to rename your clips on the timeline in Screenflow 9, all you have to do is just double-click on the default title. So just double-click there. I'll call this one Music Bed. I'll double-click, SFX for sound effects. Double-click, we'll call this one Voiceover. We'll call this one Screenflow Video, since it's a Screenflow recording. I'll hit Command-A, copy. I'll rename these, Command-V, double-click, Command-V, double-click on the thumbnail. We'll call it Thumbnail-Intro. And now I have an organized timeline. It's color-coded, I have it all labeled so I can easily see what each clip is. And if I go to the media bin, you will see that the originals are unaffected. So it's only labeling what you see on your timeline. And if you want to remove the color, you can select it, right-click or Control-click, and click on this X. You can also come up to the Edit menu. You will also see the label option where you can color and you can remove colors. All you have to do is just click on this X, and that will remove the color back to the original default. You can also remove the colors from multiple clips at a time. So if I select all of these clips and right-click or Control-click, just click on the X, it will now go back to the default color. And that is how you color and rename clips in Screenflow 9. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.